how should businesses kind of take these different types of sources and, combine them together and in some meaningful ways and strategies?
Yeah, I mean, my first piece of advice is often to just start small, right? Don't try to integrate everything all at once. Find naturally adjacent data sets. So like if you're trying to improve people's experiences, in a location, maybe looking at point of sale data or foot traffic. So finding like what data does it make the most sense to bring in? And then perhaps even more importantly, find your friends, right? Who are the other departments or teams who understand the value of what you're trying to do by improving experiences and are willing to partner with you to share their data, to implement those interventions once you've identified, here's a pain point, here's a problem, let's go ahead and fix it. And just focus there, right? You don't have to work with everyone all at once. Starting small is going to give you an opportunity to test things out, to build up a business case, and then hopefully capitalize on those early wins to start growing your momentum and expanding into other teams and data types. The other piece of advice I often give organizations is to look at journeys. Use a tool like a journey map for whichever is most broken or most important journey for your organization. Use that as a blueprint to help you plan out, which types of data do you want to incorporate from which different channels, where there are opportunities to pull in some operational data or maybe some unsolicited data from online reviews. One of the big ones I would always recommend is rather than asking customers for feedback all the time about every experience, which is feeding into the survey fatigue, right. Maybe you get a little bit more targeted and you just send surveys during those, moments that matter most along those customer journeys, those episodes that are going to have the most outsized impact on a customer's perceptions and behaviors about their experiences. And so being a lot more thoughtful about how you're instrumenting your listening strategy to make sure you're collecting insights at those points that are most important for, I would say, fueling your most important business decisions and activities. And then again, starting there, where are the most important, impactful spots to collect this data, and then just growing as you can.